Hi friends, in today's video tutorial we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. Remember, a link for this reference file is given in the description of the video. I would urge you to open that file and practice along with me. So, as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to proceed with this drafting would be to begin this drafting in the top view. So we'll go in the top view and initially create this structure. So we'll use the P line command and draw one line of 150 units. Then one line this way, which would be 70 minus 16, that is 54 units. Then one line this way, that would be 75 units, and join this point with the start point. So this structure would be ready. Then we will begin drawing this capsule-like structure. So we'll begin by drawing one circle of 16 dia, copying it at a distance of 32 units, drawing two quadrantial lines, trimming the unwanted circles, and joining it and making it into one structure. Then offsetting it outside to a distance of 8 units because this total dia is 32 units. Then we'll go into the southwest isometric view and we'll change the view to front view and draw this circle of 25 dia and another circle of 50 dia. Then we'll draw one tangential line from the tangent to this circle, extending downward to a distance of 50 units, then to the right 150 units, upward 16 units, and then back to tangential to this circle. Then using press pull, we'll pull this out to a distance of, you can see, 25 units this way. Afterwards, we'll push pull this to a distance of 16 units. Then we'll move this and this capsule like structure to the edge of this structure. And then we would use the join command and make it into one geometry. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So right now you can see that we are in the top view. So we'll use the P line command of AutoCAD and begin by drawing one line. We'll click anywhere in our drawing board and we'll turn the ortho on and we'll give the distance as 150. Then we are going to move downward at a distance of 54 units. Then to the left 75 units and join with the start point, so C for close. So our middle structure is ready. Now we have to draw this capsule. We'll begin by drawing this circle of 16 dia. So we select circle, center diameter. Anywhere in this structure we draw a circle of 16 dia. CO for copy. We click on the circle, press enter, click on the center point and we give the distance as 32 units. Then press escape, then press L for line and quadrantial to this, enter. Again L for line, quadrantial to this, enter. Then you use the trim command and trim the unwanted part of the circle. Then we use the join command and convert this into one geometry. Then we use the offset command and offset this geometry outside to a distance of 8 units. So select the object and outer side 8 units. Now the middle capsule is ready. Now we have to move it at this distance. So you can see over here they have given that from year to year it is 36 and from year to year it is 28. So we use the move command of AutoCAD and we press enter. Select the object to move these two objects. Now specify the base point. We give this as the base point and specify the second point. So we press Ctrl and right arrow and select from, and we click here and move upward to a distance of 28 units. Again we use the move command and press P for previous, then press enter, then click on the midpoint and move it downward to a distance of 36 units. So now we have drawn this entity perfectly. So now we go into the southwest isometric view by clicking on this icon. And now we have to begin drawing this circle. So we first go into coordinates and change the view to front view. You can take a look at the grids to understand that in which view you are present. Then we use the center diameter, and anywhere over here we draw a circle of 25 dia. Again center diameter, same center point, diameter is 50. Then we use the line command, quadrantial to this, moving downwards 50 units, to the right 150 units, upward 16 units, and then you can say tangential to this circle. So our geometry is complete. Now we use the press pull command and select this object and move it outward to a distance of 25 units. And you can change this from 2D wireframe to shades of grey. Then again we use the press pull and select this object and move it to a distance of 16 units. Then press escape. Again we use press pull and select this object, but you can see this geometry is not getting selected properly. In such scenarios you have to go into coordinates, change the view to top view, then go in press pull, and now it gets correctly selected. So this height would be 16 plus 3, that is 19. And then select this geometry and give a thickness for this geometry as 16 units. Then press escape. Then select both these parts and move it. Select this geometry and move it over here. Then use the union command and select both these objects and press enter. Now use the orbit tool and you can view the object in all possible directions to get a complete view of your geometry. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.